here is how you encrypt your USB. Go to truecrypt.org and install the installer. So we go. So I've installed it already. So let's run crypt. Here's TrueCrypt. So let's click create volume. So a window like this will come up, and click create an encrypted file container. Press next, and standard TrueCrypt volume. Select file. So my documents, my volume. Look in my documents. Choose some place you want to encrypt. Let's say here. Let's make a new folder. Encrypt. Oh, oops. Wait. No, delete this. Just my documents. Make a file name my volume. So there you go. So type the desired container file name in the file name box. So there it is. Here's the container name. You should choose the USB drive. Click save, then file sectors. Those should go next. Press next. Then click AES and this. Click next. Then input the desired value of the space that you want to encrypt. So choose 1 MB. So next, you make your own password. 1234 1234. So click next. So here is a warning, so you should make 20 characters or more. This is encrypt. Wait, this is encrypted. This is encrypted. Then choose next. So here it is. If you want to wait for easier, let's make that. So to make this easier, because this is just a tutorial, click yes. So move as fast as you can. Move your mouse as fast as you can for 30 seconds. And remember to move your mouse inside the window. But so read carefully the information displayed in the wizard window. After you choose a good password, type in the first input field, then retype it the input field below next to it. So that was the password before. So here, just move your mouse as fast as you can. then click format. So a window like this will pop up. So press OK and click exit. So in the remaining steps, that we will mount the volume we just created. We will return to the main TrueCrypt window, which should still be open, but if it's not, repeat step 1 to launch TrueCrypt, then continue to this step. So let's click and select a drive letter from the list marked with the here. This will be the drive letter to which TrueEncrypt container will be mounted. So it's like a virtual drive mount.
It's a long night, guys.
So next, click select file. Then go to the go here. Click this my volume. Click open. Then mount. So here comes the password. Let's type 1 2 3 4. Press OK. So there you go. It's already mounted. So the next thing we'll do is you can browse the mounted volume the way you normally browse other types of volume in my computer. Then here, look, it's already visible, but it's only 1 MB. See, so there you go. So dismount this. So look, let's look at here again. There's no more drive M, so you can't open it any other way around. So there you go, how to encrypt a USB.